So this week I'm going to, well, not every day, but I've been looking at pouring on different objects or blinging up different objects. I've blinged up a insulated cup, and now for this vase I got from the charity shop for, I don't know, $2. So I thought, why not bling it up? So I have sprayed on it, where is it? A primer. I couldn't find a glass primer, so I sprayed on this plastic primer. I don't know if it's going to do the trick, but it was to prime it. I am not going to actually undercoat it because that is just basically a clear primer. It does what an undercoat does and primes it. So the first thing I'm going to do is well, maybe I should just move that out of the way a second. I've got glitter everywhere because I've been playing with glitter this last couple of days, and so yes, I've had a really good glittering good time, but so yeah, I've got glitter everywhere and I've got to clean it up, yes. So I'm going to pour on a vase, and I'm going to use the Montmartre pre-made paints, so I don't have to do anything with them except that give them a good shake, which I have done. And I'm going to see if I can do kind of like a kind of like a marble effect pour. I'm just going to see how the pouring works anyway on this particular thing. I was going to get some white, but I don't think I will. I will pour all my colours, oh, that poured out really well, into this cup. I'll sort of give it a swirl. Oh my goodness, that pink and the gold looks absolutely delicious. This was in a little pack. I think they're under $10 for the pack, and it's called Cosmic, so that was the particular pack. Oh, those colours. I'm just not sure about using too much black because I don't want to have the black take over the whole thing. So I will probably need all of this pack, these little bottles, to pour over this vase. I'm presuming. As you see, I'm just pouring in, kind of not down the side like I would normally. I am pouring and swirling. I just hope there's enough here, but I do really want to only cover maybe 2/3 of the vase because I want to bling up the top. So this will be kind of part one to what I'm going to do. I've got all those colours in there, except I don't want all the black. It will take over everything, I believe. So got that paint there. I'll move my vase back into the frame. In for a penny, in for a pound. Here we go. So, oh no, stop. I wanted to do one twizzle in there. I just wanted to get the colours and stir just round in a twizzle. So let's go Joe. As you see, I've got this tray underneath to collect the paint. I mean, if there's any nice skins, I can always save the skins. Ooh, wow, look at this. Holy dooly. Oh, I might have to leave the whole vase. That is gorgeous. Oh, I hope you're seeing this. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that black, gold and silver on its own. Oh, that'll be another one to do. Let's go over this way. I hope it's coming over your side, or it's all coming over the back where I am, maybe. Maybe I've got to start moving around so it covers the whole vase. There's me thinking I didn't want all that black, and yet it looked so nice to when I first poured out that black. Oh, look at that. Wowzers trousers. I forgot how cool this was to do, because I've done this probably about a year ago. I will try and put the photos on the end of this video of the things that I've poured over that I didn't do on camera. I think it was before I was even actually making videos, so there you go. Oh, holy dolly, so excited. That's gorgeous. Oh, I'm not getting any paint over that. I've covered all the way except for this little bizzo there. I might have to get some more paint. I've got some black here, which I wasn't going to put on, but I think it looks so nice with the gold. I think I will put some more black in there with the gold and silver. It looks you beaut, especially on this vase. This is trousers. Ugh. So excited with that. Looks cool already. Oh, it is actually come down now over that. Oh no, I've mixed up the paint. Maybe I shouldn't add any more because I really, really like that. No, you know I'm not. Look, it's come down over that. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I love it. I am going to leave that now to just do its thing and dry. As I said, I have got the tape around the top. So what I might do when it's, I think when it's dry enough for me to pull the tape. No, I won't. I can pull the tape off pretty sure afterwards. But I might just put gold then around the rim in glitter and bling it up. But I love that. That is absolutely super. There you go, a $2 glass vase from the charity shop. I mean, terrific gifts. This could very well be either just sealed outside with a complete sealer to seal the paint as you would anything else, a varnish sealer, a resins. You could definitely epoxy resin it if you wanted it back to the glass finish. So that's another thing you could do. Wait on, please, for the photos of the dry product. Oh, no, I'm going to do the next stage. I'm going to bling the lip. So wait for the next stage. Just wanted to video all the way round this vase so you can see all of the colours, because like the gold, silver and black came out more on this side, and then as you go around, more of the rose came out. It's really super. I can't wait for it to dry now. So excited with this piece. Now I'm kind of wishing I didn't tape off the top, so I got, look at that, so I got the whole of the vase. But that's all right, I will know better next time. And now absolutely nothing is sacred in my house. I will look for things to pour on. Now, let me bring you up to speed with the many changes of the vase. So, okay, the pour had dried that I'd done on it. I then gave it a coat of, let me get, excuse me, the Fusion pouring resin. I just put a little bit into a container. This is what I often gloss my artwork with. I put it into a container, then just added just a very small amount of water, and then I keep that like that, and then I just use my damp cloth, dipped in the resin, the resin solution, and then I've wiped it all down 3 times, so it's come back up with this lovely glistening. And you could just keep going over it to build up the coats, because doing it this particular way is a way of glossing it, and you're wiping over it, it seals it, and you can do it just time and time again, maybe every 20 minutes, because it dries, and you can build up the gloss coating on it. So I could do that a few more times, but I think that's perfectly fine. It's got a nice sheeny shine on it. So that's that bit. I do use that exact same solution and that exact way to seal my artwork. Like, so this is the kind of one that was done at the same time as I done my vase. I'm going to leave this another week maybe to dry, and then I'm going to seal it in the same way. Or I may even resin this one, because it's just beautiful. The glitter in it was by accident. When I put the glitter on here, I had that painting sitting drying beside it, and I blew all the glitter off, and it just went all over the painting. So I thought, well, now it really does look cosmic, because you've got that gorgeous glitter in it. So you've got, you know, two that go together lovely. So I will seal that one at a later date with that same little setup that I do. It's so easy. I have obviously gone that bit further and blinged along the bottom. I'm going to bling along the top as well. I'm not going to just leave it the glitter as if it isn't blingy enough. So what I did was I bought some of these. They're like decorative ribbon. So this has got lots of bling on it. They come in a roll, so I undid the roll and cut out 2 lines, and I've just used Elmer's glue, because Elmer's glue dries clear, and put that one on. And now for my final stage with and for you guys, I am going to put this just around the top like so. Oh, hang on, make sure of, yeah. So I'm going to put it around the top. That's a bit short. How did I get that short? Ah! Not happy, Jen. Why did I do that? Anyway, can you get the gist? So I will Mod Podge that and put that last little bit of bling on. So it's very blingy. It's a bling bling. But I think I'm going to cut another piece because I've got a little bit missing there. So last bit, get my, where's my Mod Podge? There we go. I've got some Mod Podge in there, and I am just going to, should I use a, yeah, I think I'll use just a small brush. Small brush. Oh my goodness, when you want something you can never find it. Okay, just going to use this small brush, dip the Mod Podge, which has somehow got glitter in it as well. Just going to go around with it. Doesn't matter if I don't get it in exactly the right spot, because the Mod Podge will dry clear. No, it's not Mod Podge, sorry. This is Elmer's glue. I'm sticking it with Elmer's glue all, because it sticks anything, so it says. So it's just straight Elmer's glue all is what I'm sticking my next bit of bling to. But I love it. I love that it was poured and blinged some more. Really love it. Loving the colours. So awesome gifts. No. Where am I? Okay. Okay, let's get this right. Oh, I've got one little line missing, which I'm going to cut out some more and stick on there. So I probably just need to check that I've got it in the right spots, which is perfect. And I'm going to put a little bit of tape to hold it firm until it dries. So just on a roller, just going to grab a bit of tape to tape it until it dries. Hold it on there. Oops. You could probably get some different kind of glue, maybe, I don't know, some kind of Gorilla Glue or something that might stick it a little bit better. You know, hold it in place, but I'll just leave that there and just go round. And leave it to dry. Leave it to dry, and then I will show you the end results in the photos at the end. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. Until tomorrow, bye for now.